Clickbank for Beginners, free. Everybody likes free, right? If you unsure, you don't know, free is the way to go, right? Why invest in something if you have no idea whether or not you're actually going to like it, right? So free, good, right? So in this video today, we are going to go over how Clickbank for Beginners can do stuff for free. But before we jump into that, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you tick the little bell notification so that way you get notified of any videos I release when I release them. And while you're doing that, you might as well go ahead and join our Facebook group. It is the number one place that I am actually in, where I answer your questions, where we do in-depth case studies on how you can make money online, and generally just some tomfoolery that we just all cut loose and have fun. All right, so into the video. So if you wanted to do ClickBank, how would you do it for free? Well, there's a couple methods, and my favorite one is obviously YouTube. I did a couple videos on it. Today's going to be no different. We're going to make a video on how to do this with YouTube. We're going to do it a little differently, though. I'm going to show you how you can make money online with YouTube by commenting. Okay, so this is a new strategy. If you come this far and you clicked off, well, man, did you lose out. But for all you people that stayed and you watched, this is how you're going to do it. Okay, you're going to actually piggyback off of somebody else's success, and you're going to be able to sell a product a lot better, right? So we're going to use other YouTube videos. We're going to create a channel. We're going to make videos ourselves, but we're going to create other YouTube videos, and we're going to comment on other people's stuff. All right. So how do we do this, right? So I'm kind of excited on how you do this. So we're going to use the weight loss niche, right? This is Clickbank. If you're unfamiliar with Clickbank, I don't know why you're on this video, because this is Clickbank for free, but head over to clickbank.com. Go ahead and sign up for an account. It's free, and you can get started. All right. So Clickbank is for most countries. There are some countries that are excluded. Sorry, guys. But pretty much this is international. I would say 90%, 95% of countries are accepted by Clickbank. So this is the back office. This is the back office of my test dummy account. This is the marketplace. If you click on this tab right here, it will bring you to, come on. It's going to bring you to a section that has all the niches that you can get into, right? It's going to give you a little how-to kind of guide right there, and it's going to point you in the right direction. If you're brand new to affiliate marketing, it's got a little knowledge section, blah, blah, blah. So little pro tip here, if you click this button right here, it's going to show you the top 10 Clickbank products to promote. Good place to start. If you have no idea what you want to do, you can literally make money in any of these. I don't care what anybody says. None of these markets are too saturated. There is lots of potential to make money in all of these. And I'm going to show you how, and I'm going to prove it. I'm going to back up that statement. But let's get on to the video. So we're going to do the Cinderella solution, right? And what we're going to do is we're going to create a brand new channel, right? And in this channel, we're going to set it up as if we were doing a weight loss journey, right? And we're going to make some videos of basically us talking about our journey and how we're going to lose weight. So we're going to make, like, say, 3 to 4 videos. The first video is just going to be a video about how we're struggling to lose weight and what our plan is. The next video is going to be like 3 or 4 different tips on what we're doing to currently lose weight. And the third video is the results of those. And the fourth video is going to be basically like, hey guys, I found an amazing solution. I've already lost 10 pounds by doing this product. So you understand, we are going to create a little mini set of videos, 4 to 10 kind of videos. We're not looking to make a ton of traffic off of the videos themselves, which they might actually end up doing. If they get some traction, they continue to make videos on it. Who cares, right? But in this particular case, we're just using these like little 4-block videos to promote on other weight loss channels, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to come over to YouTube, and you're going to just do a search for weight loss, and then we're going to filter, right? So what we want is we want channels, right? So we're going to do filter, and we're going to look for channels, right? And what we're going to do is we're going to find the biggest channels in this niche, right? So we're looking for all the big channels. So I guess 12,000 is fine, because if they, I don't know, she's relatively either new or hasn't did it for a while. But you're looking for these big numbers over in the subscribe channel over on the side here, right? So doesn't seem like a lot of these. Here we go. There's one for 25. Um, you can do it this way, or what you can do instead of filtering by channel is we're just going to go ahead and go by video, and we're going to see what are some of the big channels. So Dr. Oz, that's kind of a catch-all medical, so we're not going to do that. We're looking for, uh, Stephanie Rose. I don't know anybody in this niche, so this is, um, she might be a big one. She's doing it like a before and after. Actually, you could do like weight loss journey or whatever, but it looks like yoga with uh, Adrene. I don't know who that, if I even said that right. But you're just basically, you're going to take some time and you're going to find like literally the top 100 channels. Weight loss is a big niche, right? It's huge, right? So you want a lot of videos coming in, right? It's going to take some time, but you're gonna sit there and you're going to find all these that have the best and biggest channels that you can find, right? So high subscribers, you're looking for hundreds of thousands, if not millions, right? So um, I don't know who this is, but it's got 1.7. So you would check out her channel, see if this is what you're basically into. Again, you want to find a ton of channels on this topic. So what we're going to do is we're going to subscribe to all those channels, right? We're going to literally subscribe to like 100 different channels, and we're going to tick the little bell notification that lets us know we want to be fully invested. We want to know when they release a video, right when they release the video, right? Because what we're going to do is we're going to go as soon as they release a video, we're going to go in and we're going to comment on that video, right? And we're going to leave a well thought out comment that's basically like, hey guys, this was a really amazing video. It inspired me to share my story. um, I actually am on a weight loss journey myself, and it's in my channel if you guys wanted to check it out. um, Go ahead and check it out. Something along that line. So we're basically creating a video, or you could say something along the lines of whoever let's say it's Dr. Oz for this instance. You would make a comment that's like, um, guys, this was so amazing. Just so you know, Dr. Oz, you inspired me to start my own YouTube channel documenting my weight loss. Um, and I'm so proud of the success that I've had, right? You're not leaving any link. You're just overhyping how amazing your weight loss journey is, right? Now, the channel that you're actually going to put those 4-pack videos on, you want to name your channel something like, in my case, Eric's Amazing Weight Loss Journey, or something along that. Eric's Weight Loss Journey 2019, something along that lines, right? So when people see the comment, they know your channel is about weight loss, right? So they're more likely to go and click over and check it out, right? And then they're going to see your little 4-part documentation, and then at the end they're going to see your video that is showing the product that you're using, right? So very, very simplistic in nature, but there is going to be some fine tuning. It's going to take you probably about a week really to set up and get it rolling. And you're just going to continually do this. You're going to continually comment. Maybe occasionally, maybe once a week, you release a video. At that point, maybe you start doing slideshow presentations or something along the way, or maybe you do other people's success stories, something along that lines. You don't have to, but you're just going to keep commenting all day long. And that's what you're going to do. And to spice this little thing up, you can actually go into Facebook groups as well. So you can comment on YouTube channels, and then you're going to go into Facebook groups and do the same process. You're going to do a search on weight loss. So we're going to do a search on weight loss for beginners. How about that, right? That's going to bring up a whole group of people that are brand new. So we're going to click on groups, And in all these groups right here, 171,000 members, 75,000 members, 262,000 members. What you're going to do is you're going to join all these groups. Make sure you're slow. If you join them all at once, you're going to get busted for spam and your account's going to get shut down. But join, 1 to 5 groups a day. Start interacting with them. Start commenting on things. Tell people you're on a weight loss journey. Don't start sharing videos yet. But basically what you're going to do is you're going to start leaving comments on other people's. You're going to look for like the top comments, right? So if you go, and I haven't joined any of these groups, but at the very top it'll say like most popular or whatever, and you're going to comment on there, and you're going to be like, whatever the topic is, you're going to swing it around to your weight loss journey and how you've made a video, and then link the video in there. So you don't want to make a post specifically about it, because that might get you might get kicked out of the group, right? Until you've built up some notoriety in a week or two, right? But if you leave it in the comments after a day or two and you've commented a ton, you can leave it in the comments, and people are less likely to kick you out, and you're more likely to get more people looking at your stuff, right? So another thing that you could do is you can join forums that are based on weight loss and do the same thing. You can also go over to Reddit, and basically you're just going to go through these different avenues, and you're just going to leave comments about your weight loss journey. So you're going to have your digital asset of your YouTube channel with your 4 little videos. You're going to comment like crazy. You're going to do this till the cows come home. That way you have a small YouTube channel. You're not making 100 plus videos, and you're just commenting. It's 100% free. Doesn't cost you any money. It's a brand new ish method. I don't think that anybody's really talked about doing it. It's kind of a hybrid of a couple different methods mashed together. Guys, that's the total method. If you like it, subscribe, join the Facebook group, and I will see you in the next video.